Namaste everyone, my name is Shaili and I welcome you all to my channel. Our practice today is focused on joint mobility. Let's get moving. Start by stretching your toes. We are standing straight. Just lift your toes, stretch your toes out and place them back. Now, lift your right heel off the ground and gently bring it back. Lift the left heel off the ground and bring it back. By doing so, you will feel a difference in the way you stand. Now we will introduce some neck movements. So gently turning your head from left to right. Go as far as your neck allows. Throughout our practice, we will breathe through the nose. Coming back to the center. And now we are going to stretch our arms out in front of us. As we inhale, we turn to the left, exhale center. Inhale right, exhale center. So as we inhale, we are twisting to our sides. As we exhale, we come back to the center at your own pace. Inhale, left, back to center. Inhale, right, center. Keep breathing smoothly through your nose as you twist from the waist. Relax your arms. Stand with your feet parallel to each other. Have your hands at the hips. Bend your right knee. Stretch your right leg. Roll it back. Bend, stretch, roll it back. Bend, stretch, roll. Bend, stretch, roll. Bend, stretch it out and roll it back. Let's reverse it now. So roll, stretch, bend, roll, stretch, bend. Find your balance. Roll it, stretch and bend it. Okay, let's take it to the left. Bend the left knee, stretch the left leg out, roll it back. Bend, stretch, roll. Bend, stretch it out, roll it back. Keep your core engaged and focus at a point in front of you. This will give you balance in the movement. Let's reverse it. So we roll, stretch, bend. Roll, stretch, bend. Roll, stretch and bend. Keep going. Roll, stretch, bend. Back to the center. Now raise your right leg just a few inches off the ground and start by pointing the toes and flexing the foot. Keep your right leg straight, pointing the toes, flexing the foot, and bringing the leg back in the original position. Raise the foot off the ground and place it back without bending the leg. Lift the foot, place it back. Nice. Now stretch your right leg out to the right and bring it back. Stretch out, bring it back. Stretch, bring it back. One more. Stretch, bring it back. Okay. One more time. Lifting the foot off the ground and bringing it back. And we do this without bending the leg. One more time. Stretching the leg out, bringing it back. Stretch out, bring it back. Now as you stand straight, feel the difference between the right and the left side. Let's take it to the left. So lifting the left foot off the ground, flexing the left toes and pointing the toes. Point your toes, flex the foot. Point it, flex it. Slide the leg back without bending. Lift the foot off the ground, bring it back just as high as you can go, and it'll be just a few inches off the ground, not much. Stretch out, bring it back, stretch 2, stretch 3, stretch 4, stretch 5, lift 1, lift 2, lift 3, lift 4, lift 5, Stretch 1, 2, stretch 3, stretch 4, stretch 5. Back to the center, feel the balance. We are standing straight with our feet parallel. From here, we are going to place our hands on the knees. We will bend the knees slightly and then we will start with knee rotations. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and reverse the rotation. While doing the knee rotation, make sure that your back is straight and feet firmly on the ground. As far as the circle is concerned, you can make small circle with your knees or go deeper, whatever is possible as of now. The focus is joint mobility to get them moving and lubricated. Now we are going to stand with our feet shoulder width apart and we will do waist rotations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Reverse the rotation. Keep breathing through your nostrils and choose your speed. It's your practice. Do what feels right. Keep going. We are almost done. And there we come back to the center. Now we will add quick shoulder movements. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Exhale, bring it back. Inhale, 3. Inhale, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Circle your arms. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to the center. From here, inhale, stretch your arms up. Interlock your fingers, turn your palms up and start making circles with your arms. Your arms will remain straight and you will feel this movement in your upper back between the shoulder blades. It's a light swinging movement that we are creating with our arms. You don't need to make too big a circle. Reverse the rotation. Try to keep your inner arms closer to your ears as you come in the circle. Release your arms, and as you do that, feel the rush of energy. Next, we will come into the chair pose. For that, we will engage our inner thighs. The feet remain where they are. Bend your knees. Keep your back straight. And here we are. You come as low as available, testing the strength of your thighs here. Arm position is completely your choice. You can even place your hands at your hips. Come out of it. Bend again and straighten. 3, 4, 5, squat 6, 7, 8, squat 9, squat 10, 11, 12, 13, and relax. Next, we will send our feet away from each other, coming into a wide-legged standing position. From there, we are going to inhale, take our arms up, interlock the fingers, turn the palms out. Turn your left foot out, bend the left knee, turning the body towards the left knee. As you exhale, bend forward. Inhale up, your fingers are still interlaced. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale up. Exhale to warrior two. Deep breath in. As you exhale, turn your body towards the left knee. Bring your right hand down and the left arm goes up. Inhale, look up. Exhale, turn your gaze down. Inhale up. Exhale, gaze down. Bring your hand down. Straighten your left leg and stay here for a moment. Take some relaxing breaths. Inhale, rise all the way up, ready to take it to the other side. So arms up towards the ceiling, fingers interlocked. Turn the right foot out, bend the right knee. Body turned towards the right knee. Inhale, and as you exhale, fold forward. Throughout this stretch, keep your outer foot firmly planted on the mat. Inhale, you come up. Exhale to warrior two. Arms are wide, turning the body towards right knee. The left arm goes down and the right goes up. Keep the knees soft and bent. Keep breathing through your nostrils. Bringing the arm down, both hands on the ground. Maybe you want to come onto your forearms, keeping the neck absolutely relaxed here. Coming onto your hands and getting ready for Garland Pose. A swift transition from wide-legged standing position to Garland Pose here. Malasana. With your elbows, push your knees out. Keep your back straight. Keep breathing deep. And one last movement that we will do for mobility is unassisted windshield wiper, where we are going to stand as well. So windshield wiper movement, get up, turn, back to the floor, windshield wiper, get up and turn. 3. Windshield wiper movement, get up and turn. Keep your hands behind the head. Gentle movements from left to right, getting up and turning as well. The last one there. Come back to the center, release your hands, and stay here for a few moments with your eyes closed, a deep breath flowing in your body, and observing how your body feels right now. I hope you enjoyed this practice and that you will join me back soon. Thank you so much.